Coding Blocks going to organize a machine learning workshop for free with e-certificate. Hello and welcome friends on this channel of Career Edge. This is Akshay and today I am going to show you a machine learning free workshop going to organize by Coding Blocks. As you know, Coding Blocks is a competitive programming site. Coding links forward to interactive workshop on machine learning and a sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is a part of a machine learning where it uses natural language processing and machine learning to interpret the emotions and other form of your mind in a subjective data. So here an online workshop is going to be held and it is completely free, and you also got a free e-certificate. There is no registration charges. You got a handsome e-certificate from Coding Blocks whether you are doing an active participation in it or not. Only attendance is required to get a e-certificate from Coding Blocks, and here the instructor is the motivator and also coordinator of Coding Blocks, Mr. Mohit Unnayal. And the date of this workshop is 10th of October 2020 and you can register in it before it. The date is Saturday and the time is 8 p.m. onwards. For register, just click on register here and you got this tab. This is a Google Form tab where you need to register by filling some of the credentials just like some personal information, name, email. After that, there is an option of contact number, and lastly any suggestions tab where you need to put any suggestion if you want, but this is not a compulsory. And after filling up, I'm going to show you here you need to fill up all the compulsory information, and after filling up you can give any suggestions, just submit it and you will be notified by an email from Coding Blocks. So be ready for this workshop and also share with your friends by which they also get benefited. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.